Pirate in a major key sounds like it could have been used in one of those dance scenes on Bridgerton, so that you can get an immediate in the moment comparison between the two. Here it is in a minor key as we're used to hearing it. Now I'm going to change it from A minor to A major and slow it down a little bit too so that you can get the full effect. Here we go.